Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 23 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at Simons Middle School last week, as you can see from some of the pictures in the connection. We had lots of birthdays. Our first ever spelling bee winner, so congratulations to Zoe Hag. And we would like to shout out and thank the Daughters of the American Revolution chapter for providing a grant to Mr. Hunt's class for his work in teaching historical documents. This week at Simons Middle School, we do have an admin team meeting on Monday morning. It is also school counselors week, and midterm grades will be posted on Monday. Parents, you can look for those on Wednesday to come home. There's no event so far for Tuesday. After school on Wednesday, we do have that mosaic class with the Youth Service Center. It will be until 5, and I know that says the March mosaic class, but I'm pretty sure that that's happening this Wednesday at SMS. On Thursday, we do have the Beta Club exhibition day. It will be in the gym. That's also going to be on Friday as well for all students. And then on Thursday, one thing, parents and students, that you do need to be aware of, it didn't make it on the calendar. It must have got deleted by accident, but the Sweetheart Dance is going to be Thursday after school. It is $5 each, $10 a couple, and we are going to have concessions for sale at our dance. So we'll have cotton candy, we'll have nachos, and we'll have several other concessions on that day after school until 5. We do want to take a moment today and spotlight our Cougar Connection, or highlight rather, our student spotlight in the Cougar Connection. For this week, our spotlight is our SMS archery team. The team is led by coaches Heather Bretz and Deidre Richardson. This group of sharpshooters placed first this past weekend in the middle school division during a home match, and they have been consistently getting better each week, and we want to highlight their success. The middle school team also includes 6th grade students from across our county. These young archers practice several times a week to perfect their skills and are expected to be a strong force as the season continues. So congratulations to our SMS archery team. I have been watching much of their success throughout the season, and I'm really proud of them. I just want to say, way to bring it, Archery Cougars. For our 2-3000 leaderboard for this last week, we want to congratulate on Monday a tie between Brianna Cooley and Jonah Gray. Tuesday, Ashley Hamilton. Wednesday, Maddox Howard. Thursday, Isabella Stacey. Friday, Elena Moore. Our top scorer for this week was Maddox Early Line, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Brianna Cooley in 8th grade with 6, and Rayburn Meeks in 7th grade with 3. So a little bit different leaderboard this week for Alex. You can see we do have several students that are moving up the leaderboard, and I do want to shout out today to our 7th and 8th grade completers. So congratulations to the following students in 7th grade who have completed their Alex Path for grade 7. That is Riker Russell, Asia Flinders, Zachary Hitch, Blake Bradley, Brady Kramer, Nick Lane, Elena Hunt, Blake Howard, and Shiloh Fugit. And students who have completed 8th grade math content, Cody Stevenson, Carson Parker, Bobby Applegate, Garrett Hamilton, Tyson Wills, Hunter Ham, and Asia Flinders. Asia's actually finished both 7th and 8th grade content, and she is preparing to move into algebra. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.